Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. The Dodge Challenger R/T is a performance-oriented trim of the Challenger lineup, blending classic American muscle car styling with modern technology. Here's a full breakdown of its details, engine and performance. The Challenger R/T is powered by a 5.7L Hemi V8 engine, producing 375 horsepower and 410 lb-ft of torque with the 6-speed manual transmission. 372 horsepower and 400 lb-ft of torque with the 8-speed automatic transmission. Performance features: 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 5.0 seconds, varies by transmission. Rear-wheel drive (RWD) for a classic muscle car feel. Standard MDS, multi-displacement system, on the automatic version, which deactivates cylinders for better fuel efficiency. Sport mode to enhance throttle response and steering feel. Transmission options: 6-speed manual, TRIMEC, for an engaging driving experience. 8-speed automatic, torque flight, with paddle shifters for convenience. Exterior design: bold, retro-inspired muscle car styling. Functional hood scoop for improved airflow and cooling. R/T badging on the grille and fenders. Available Scat Pack style performance hood on some variants. Wide variety of colors, including Plum Crazy, Go Mango, Torrid, and more. Standard 20-inch wheels with optional performance tires. Interior and comfort. Seating for 5, unlike most muscle cars that only fit 4. Performance cloth or Nappa leather seats with R/T branding. 7-inch or optional 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Optional Alpine or Harman Kardon premium audio systems. Dual-zone automatic climate control. Technology and safety. Keyless enter, N-Go with push-button start. Performance pages in the Uconnect system, track timers, G-forces, engine stats. Adaptive cruise control, available. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, available. Backup camera and parking sensor standard. Fuel economy: manual, 15 mpg city/23 miles per gallon highway. Automatic, 16 mpg city/25 miles per gallon highway. Price and variance: base price starts around $42,000 plus, varies by dealer and options. Optional R/T Scat Pack trim offers a 6.4L 392 Hemi V8 with 485 horsepower. Conclusion: the Dodge Challenger R/T is a great blend of old-school muscle and modern tech. It offers solid power from the 5.7L Hemi, a comfortable interior, and classic styling. It's a great choice for those who want